some flight lesson 3 work here, just a typical traffic pattern. No short field yet. We're just going to fly the pattern.
6089 Foxtrot is turning base runway 18 and making a short approach. Carol.
Remember, off the ground every time.
Oh yeah. Tap.
Traffic on 3 Echo Hotel, final 17, open traffic.
Trail traffic, thrust 40, departure leg 18, making left closed, touch and go, Trail. So wait before turning, 500 you go 25 squared.
Yep.
Turn 300 under TPA.
And just advise Archer 6089 Foxtrot will be a full stop at Terrell. Now on short
So now you can begin that turn. Big thing here is going to be spacing your downwind somewhere around 1.25 to 1.5 nautical miles away from the runway.
Okay.
That's kind of a good sweet spot. Doesn't make it too big, doesn't make it too close so that you're too cramped. Alright, here approaches TPA, so just fly this crosswind. Throttles come back to 20. Note, everything moves fast here, so just get close enough. Crosswind, east. Yeah, flatten it out, fly it for a second. 20, set up your trim here.
Traffic 654 Juliet, left base.
Good, and now start turning into the downwind.
Runway 34.
As you initialize this turn, your power's good, it's close enough. Let's start running the gumps to get configured.
Alright, gumps. So gas, good. Fuel, good. Make sure rich, good. Props will stay there.
Don't forget the U.
Oh, undercarriage.
Yeah.
Cool, and then that's good.
Excellent. So kind of look at this side picture. We're a little bit past 1.5, but that's okay. First one we'll have some extra time. Fly the diamond so that we're nice and parallel.
Delta Alpha for runway 18 departure.
And we just did the gumps and the downwind, so we're pretty much done with downwind. All we have to worry about now is when we're abeam, throttles come to 15, flaps come to 10, and we begin that descent looking at around 95 knots airspeed. Tail traffic, thrust 40, left downwind 18, touch and go, tail.
Cool, we're about to beam. Throttle comes to 15. Cool, flaps 10.
Yep. And now just fine tune your throttles. Come a little closer to that 15, try to keep them roughly balanced. Good. Now try to trim for that 95 too. Trim is going to be huge. Once you're about a 45-degree angle, go ahead and turn into your base leg. I say you're good. Alright, flap immediately to 25. Pitch for 85. You're going to need to pull back because the nose is heavy. And trim for it.
Under 243 Echo Hotel is on a high left downwind for runway 17.
This way when you roll out, you're kind of glued to that 85. Tail traffic, thrust 40, left base 18 Terrell. This gives you plenty of time, plenty of headspace to run another gumps and verify everything.
Gas, good. Undercarriage, good, good. Cool. And now we're mixture, so mixture is full, cool, prop. We'll leave it there for now. And lights or switches are good.
Yep. Looking good. Our height is alright. We're just a touch slow, but I don't think it's much that we need to do about. Yeah, if anything, just the smallest inch of power. But once we turn final here, I think we'll be lined up quite nicely. So yeah, start that. Flap comes in. 75. Lift the nose for it. Add some trim for it. Alright, pitch for 75, that'll get you back on altitude. We're just trying to put it into slow flight. So trim up, trim up, trim up, don't be afraid of it. Yeah, plenty of thrust to keep us moving forward. Good. 2 things on final gumps.
Verifying gear and props.
Good. Now look, you're trimmed for 72, or look at your trajectory. Like, where's the plane heading? If you have a good assessment of that, your landings are going to be excellent.
Okay.
You just make small adjustments in the power in order to adjust your trajectory as you want, but you're always pitching for the airspeed.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Yep, as you be in the flare, you start cutting the power nicely. And just hold this pitch attitude, feel how the plane wants to come down. Nice. Cool. So you just apply that technique.
Not bad.
Somebody was talking to you.
No.
You apply that technique with a little bit of aiming on final, and you can hit the 1,000 footers, your numbers, whatever your point is almost every time. Don't forget the landing gear. We'll do one more. This time we'll actually try to shoot for the thousands.
Okay.
Tail traffic, Archer 6089er Foxtrot is taking runway 18 for closed traffic departure. Tail.
For runway 17, doing a power off 180 to the south and aiming point.
Alright, so at 5, we'll bring it back.
Nice.
And then at 300, we'll start that turn. Taro traffic, thrust 40, turning crosswind, left crosswind for runway 18, Taro.
Keep pitching, we want 90 to 105. Yep, bring throttles back to 20. And you start turning downwind.
Number traffic, 6548 Juliet, left
Once
8,
you establish
runway
a
34,
TPA, we'll run the
road,
gumps.
center traffic.
Tail traffic, thrust 40 left downwind, 18, touch and go, Terrell.
Yes, good, good, undercarriage. Cool.
Traffic 65.
Mixture's rich. Cool, props are leaving there, and then switches are good.
Good. Spacing's a lot nicer now.
Archer 6089 Foxtrot.
Same technique will put us right where we need to be on final.
Alright, we're putting this one on the thousands.
Yep. So I just want you to aim for the second center line stripe.
Okay.
So trim for it so that you don't have to touch the yoke with any pressure. Add power so that your trajectory is right for that second line stripe. And pitch for 72 roughly on short final.
There it is. We'll bring the throttle back to 15. Cool, and then we're adding a flap.
Good. Nice adjustments. Once you feel like you're 45, you begin that base turn. Yeah, good call.
Taro traffic, thrust 40, left base 418, touch and go, Taro.
Get that flap and that trim in. On 85 before you roll out. Yep, keep it square, coming all the way to 270. Good. Verify everything on gumps.
Cool, gumps, gas, we're good. Good. Make sure, or undercarriage, good. Make sure we're full forward. Props we're leaving there for now, and switches are good.
Yep. So we're a touch high. So maybe pull out an inch of manifold pressure.
10 miles
Just a little
southwest
bit.
of the field, inbound for landing.
Good. Yep, hold that 85. Begin your final turn. Tail traffic, thrust 40, final 18, touch and go, Terrell. Looking for 75, that's the first priority. Trim for it so that you don't have to think about it.
Terrell traffic radio check.
Read you loud and clear, Terrell.
Cool. So that's on its way. 2 items on the gumps.
Yep. Props and gear.
Good.
Gear's good.
Now, get that 75, 72 at this point. So pitch, 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 pitch. Right, a little less power. Where's the trajectory of the plane
Tail
now?
traffic, Archer 608.
Based on this power setting, where's it going?
Base,
That's
way
fine.
traffic
Small
on
adjustments, be patient. Now it's way low, right? Made too big of an adjustment. So maybe like 13s, 14s. We're going right for that second center line. A little more power, a little more power. Now we're in a pretty good spot. Keep it, keep it. Don't pull it yet, not yet, not yet. Alright, over the third line. Power idle. Round out here, and then just stop. Don't do anything else. Let the plane come down. See that?
Cool.
The weight
Yeah.
takes over, and it's not aggressive at all. It just puts it right where you want it. The important part is don't try to flare too much. Yep, all the way to full.
Tail traffic, Archer 6089 Foxtrot is turning final, runway 18, Carol.
Don't forget the gear. Good.
I was doing good with that the first couple times, and now I feel like I've forgotten it.
Yeah, there's a lot going on, especially when I'm giving you so many instructions. Your mind's all over the place, so don't sweat it.